Here's one way you can make money on YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time to get it monetized. Here's how. You can make merch. So, what is merch? It's stuff that you create that's related to your channel. Here's a bit of a warning that you might need, or you do need to know. It's a big copyright problem if you do it wrong. So I'm gonna give you an example here. Let's say with my mobile channel, which I do have, I create a shirt that has the Hulk on it, and it says Hulk Smash. I'd be selling a t-shirt with somebody else's creation on it, and that's a big copyright problem. And if I did that, I had to pay lots of money. So, we all want to avoid that. Now, I've been making a video about how to make your merchandise, how to set up the store, and guess what? It's all completely for free, including the store. So, you want to watch that video? Make sure to subscribe, and when this video come out, because I would say how to get views. So, without further ado, I'll see you in that video. Bye, y'all.